Continue, yeah.
While joining in, I made a separate account. Is that fine?
Yeah, that should be okay, no worries. As long as you can download, that's enough. That's it.
I imported the data to Power BI now.
Okay, that's good. Page is not responsive.
I'll try another way to download it.
Yeah, just go continue again, Nancy.
I'll try another way.
Okay, yeah. Okay, meanwhile, while Sachit downloads that, does anyone else want to share?
Can I share like what's my problem?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, one sec. Yeah, yeah, so I loaded in the thing. It normally came as a bar graph though. Wait, what?
No, but the sheet one came, right? And then you have only three
Yeah,
columns
sheet
there.
one came. Sheet
Yeah,
one
yeah.
came.
So, and you have only three columns there. So you have included, can you highlight the graph? I think you have
Highlight?
included rank and average price and then country. You don't have much data. So, yeah, it's so what it is showing is what is the average price? No, for average price
Uh-huh.
by country. It is showing rank and average price by country.
Okay. Should I put these three in like different pages?
No, what will you put? What do you want to analyze? That's what are the questions that you want to answer?
You don't have
That's what
enough
you need to
data.
think about.
You don't have
It's
enough
about
data.
it's about the amount of it's about around the whole world. How much does 1 GB of data cost around the whole world? Hello.
Sorry, what was that?
No, it's around the world. How much does 1 GB of data cost? Data.
Oh, average price. Okay, so around the world. So what is your? So what you can do is, uh, see, it's both average price as well as rank, right?
Yeah.
So if you look
Yes.
at the data, and because it is sorted by highest to lowest price, the
Uh-huh.
rank also will be the same, right?
Uh-huh.
So
Should I just download a different link?
yeah, different because you don't have much data to explain also. So try some other data set where you can analyze with more parameters.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Can I share?
Sorry.
Can I share?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
I need help importing the data.
1 minute, I'm sharing.
Yeah. After Danishka shares, then you can. You
Yep.
need help in downloading or importing.
Importing it.
Okay. What kind of file is that? CSV file or Excel file?
I'll see.
Yeah. If it is Excel, go and hit on Excel workbook. Otherwise, go to get data and text or CSV. Okay.
Oh, okay. How do we create a new project?
How do you create?
Yeah.
Create what?
A project, like a new.
No, don't create project. You just need to download. Okay, where is your data,
Can you
Tanushka?
see my
Yes, yeah,
Power BI screen?
yes.
When I create a data, it doesn't show here, and I have to just create a new data every time when I sign in. Oh, 1 minute.
Open that, yeah.
That's
Okay, now click on the checkbox, yeah. Yeah, and then load data, yeah. And then now save it.
it says auto recovery contains some recovered files.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Wait. Don't do anything. Don't cancel. Don't. Just hold on. Yeah. Now you save the file. Save this file.
Last time when I did minus this, but then it will be there. 1 minute, I'm just. So last time when I created this, so I
So
picked.
first, before you do anything, can you please save?
Huh?
Can you save the file?
Save channel. Where it doesn't show save in here.
No. Go at the top. There is a save button, or go to file.
File.
And save as.
Save
and then give it
as.
a name. Yeah. In documents. Save in documents.
What do we do after this?
Go to say click on documents. Double click on documents.
Documents में click check. Yes, I did.
Double click, not just single click, but double click.
Let's do that. I
Double
clicked, but it's not showing.
Double click.
Double clicked heavily.
On documents, where it says documents, yeah, double click. Or click enter.
It's not saving it.
Okay. Just give a name where it says enter file name. Give a name.
Marvel.
Marvel. And then save.
Yeah.
Save.
అది మైనస్ చేసి సేవ్ అని ఉంది. Save. Yeah. Yes. What should I say?
Oh, you are replacing. Do you have? Okay, say yes. Because I think you did.
I had 2. I had created 3 because it was not showing. Every time I log in, I had to create a new one.
Okay. I think you are saving somewhere where you can't see. That's why.
Yeah, and I tried to do a bar graph. This line, the line chart.
Don't change that. Don't change that.
Oh.
Undo. Yeah. Okay. Now click on the white space and then click on line graph.
Yeah, I did click on the white space.
Yeah.
I wanted to do a line chart, but when I tried picking up, I picked up these 2. It's only showing dots.
Yeah. Do you know why?
Why?
Can anyone tell me why? Why only a dot is showing?
Oh, because it's the sum of like older movies. It's not some of different movies.
Yeah. So what is happening is, in this graph, you need to give y-axis as well as x-axis.
Yeah, there
Right?
was no
So there is no x-axis where you give. Can you go into the data view, table view? I
Where-
don't think there is anything.
Is it
No, on the left side. No, cancel. Data view. So the one at the extreme left, yeah, one button down, yes. Let me see how the data is looking. Category, yeah, you can give category.
1 minute?
Yeah, it is loading.
It's just loading. Category. It's here.
Is there any timeline like year or something?
No. It says auto recovery contains some
Yeah,
recovered
that's okay. You
files
can
that
just
haven't
go,
been opened.
you can just go X on that. Yeah, go X,
Okay.
yeah. And then no, yeah, and then okay. Why can't we see data?
I don't. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, so can you go to home? Can you go
Uh,
home? I think there is your data is blank most of the for most of the things. Can you come down? Scroll down scroll down.
It's mostly.
I think it's an issue with the loading.
I think it's a issue with the loading, looks like. Okay, go into home.
Go back. Wait, no.
No, don't
Say
cancel,
you're
don't
just
cancel.
supposed to like,
Go home.
you know where it shows the arrow,
Go
right?
back. Yeah.
At the worldwide gross, there if you
Okay.
click the arrow, it will come and show the entire data.
Okay, now
Okay.
go home and go to transform data and
Okay.
transform data.
We are in home. Yeah, it says transform data.
Can you see transform data in the middle of the ribbon at the top?
Transfer data. Yeah.
Yeah, and then click, cancel that. Yeah, go to transform data again. Yeah.
Different type.
He's not showing that window.
And now what should I do?
I can't see that screen. Can you share that screen?
You have
The
to
new
paste
Power Query editor.
1 minute.
Sachit, do you need help?
I have to stop sharing and share
Yes.
again.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room and Medha will help you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Break up. Go on my
I-
head.
Gotcha. I can help him.
Miss Nigam said he can help me.
Sorry, what is it?
I said
Nigam,
I can help.
Nigam is helping?
I can help him if you put me in a break.
Okay. Yeah, you help. Yeah, if you can help each other, no problem. So, shall I put you in a breakout room?
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. Nigam and Sachit, right? Okay. I'm putting you into.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good.
Yep.
It was Ohio.
Medha?
I loaded in another set of data. Should I share my screen?
Yeah, share.
One
Okay,
sec. My
I'm opening Nigam and Sachit. You both go into that, and after you finish, you come back. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah,
now,
this one should I?
Tanuja.
That she's sharing her screen, okay?
Yeah, I
Hold
can
on.
see you're sharing. Oh, what are you doing? Don't add everything to y-axis. Prithvi.
Yeah.
Why are you adding everything to y-axis?
Yeah.
That's all wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now assign. Veda?
No.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Okay.
You
Now
didn't
you
put me in the breakout room.
no. I'm not putting anyone else in the breakout room. Danushka, you can share your screen.
Oh.
Okay.
No. I got.
Prithvi,
Yeah.
are you okay?
I asked her. Wait.
Prithvi, are
What?
you okay?
What? Yeah. Okay.
So you have imported, right?
Yeah, I've got the data.
Okay. You are okay with that? Now you can start analyzing. And when you're having issues, then you let me know.
All right.
Okay,
Excuse me, I'm
now,
sharing my
Danushka?
screen.
Okay. Now, where is you have to share the transform data, right? You have to share the Power Query editor one.
Is it this one?
No. You went to transform data and transform data, right?
Yeah, I did go into transform data and
And-
transform data.
And that screen you are not sharing. You are still sharing Power Query editor.
You can't give me 1 minute. Can you see my
Yes. Yeah.
data?
Yes. Okay, so there is film, there is category. Can you scroll that way towards that bottom scroll bar? Can you scroll? Bottom, not the horizontal, bottom one.
This one?
Yeah. Slow. Yeah. Critic percent score. Audience percent score. Yeah. Next. Audience versus
Audience versus critics and
critics. Okay. Yeah. All this is numeric, right? So that's okay. I'm just trying to see whether there are any dates columns or anything like that because you are trying to do a line graph, right? That is.
Yeah.
So this is all. These are all facts. So you can't use in your x-axis. I'm just thinking, what can you use in? There is year. See, there is year, right?
Yeah.
So you can use year column. Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
you can use year column. Okay. But why are we not? Okay. Year column. Okay. So close and apply. Just go close and apply.
We're here?
No. Yeah. See, there is a close and apply button there.
Yeah.
On the left hand
Yeah,
side.
close and
Yeah.
apply.
And then close and apply. Yeah. Click on that and then close and apply. Yeah. Yeah. Now if you see, just search for year. It will search for year. There is year. Okay. Somebody asked, I think Monisha. Monisha, you asked how to remove the summarization for year, right?
Yeah.
So click on that and go into, if you click on that, see at the top there is summarization, right? Click on that and then go don't summarize at the top, yeah. Because you can't summarize here, right? It doesn't make sense. So that is the reason we are doing that. Okay, now
do I just press on this?
I'll try it
no,
out.
wait. Danushka, you have two graphs there. If you look at it,
Yeah.
right? So you can delete the one that, just press delete. I think we didn't add anything there, so you can just delete that. Just remove, yeah. Now you click on the other one, yeah. Yeah, so now click on that, No, select that, yeah. Now you have selected, right? Now you click on here. See, now you got the, okay, you got why it was showing only a dot, right? Why was it showing a dot?
Because it was only numerical and it was not like ears.
Yeah, dimension. You did not add the dimension. You just added the fact. Okay? That is the reason.
Also, I want I tried I tried adding like 2 and more, but I couldn't add 2 or more.
2 and more. Yeah, you can add to second one. So now you, in your data, instead of year, this side, the on right side, instead of year, just remove the year and maybe you can add percentage budget or something, percentage gross from something, just the one that is below. Yeah, see, you will have that. Okay.
For me, the thing isn't working.
Which one, Monisha? Okay.
Yeah, I didn't get the summarization bit. Like I can show you my screen.
Yeah. Let's share. Yeah.
1 minute.
Okay,
and also I was trying to do this pie chart.
Pie chart, yeah. Add pie chart, yeah.
So for pie chart, I was thinking to do gross. I picked this, which is like full. It's just fully blue, and then when I picked this, it's only showing like that.
No, for pie chart, you need to have the data in some other form. So for example, you need to have, let's go add category.
Where?
There is a category field, right? Just beneath the budget.
Yeah.
Just add that. Okay, category is too many. No, it went into legend. Okay, now you can say budget by category. So go and add budget by category.
Budget by.
No. You can't. Just click on budget.
Budget.
No, not percentage. The budget. There is just budget below.
Oh,
yeah. And add category. See, like that.
Okay.
You understand what it is doing?
Yeah.
It is showing what is the percentage of budget for each of the category. Also, everyone listen. One of the best practice is don't use pie chart if you have more than 6 or 7 slices. See here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slices are there. 10 categories are there, right? This makes sense to me because you can see which one is the bigger category, and then yeah, because it is giving you percentage that is looking okay. But as a best practice, when you really go into, if you get a job in Power BI, what you need to do is you need to consider, is it okay to do a pie chart for more than 10 categories? It may not it may not what do you call make sense sometimes. Here it is making sense, that's okay, no problem. But yeah, okay.
And I tried doing the donut chart, but I don't know if it's right.
Yeah, donut chart also you can do. So you can change the budget, the pie chart itself to donut chart. So if you click on the pie chart and then click on donut chart, it changes to donut chart. So just click on yeah, and then click on donut. See, it changes. Okay, it's the same. So it should, you are representing it in a different way. So that should be okay. Okay.
Is it like this? Is it the same thing for the donut chart, like where it has to be like lower
Yes.
than 10?
Yes, it makes sense. But here, see the rings. See, for example, the green, pink, and orange, pink and red, they seem to be, and also the other green. So they are somewhat similar, right? So we don't know which one is, as soon as you look at it, we don't know which one is better. So instead of this one, if you do a bar chart or a column chart, that makes more sense. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, how do you how do you do the slices? Because I didn't understand it in the last class.
Sorry, what was that?
How do you do the slices?
How do you do the slices? Slices. Okay, go to what slicer do you want? So you can do slicer for film. I think you have film, right? So you can,
Yeah.
you can do a slicer for film. So don't click on the donut chart. Click on the white space, and then there is a slicer from on the third row from bottom, where there is a table. Beside the table, there is a slicer.
Where?
From the bottom third row. From bottom. Yeah, third one. Yeah, beside the table, where there is filter. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, no, not that one. This one, this side. No, yeah. It says slicer. See, two icons on the right. Yeah, that one. Yeah, add the slicer and then add film there. Search and add film. Search is better. Go and add search. Yeah, search. Yeah, there is no film spelling. Yeah, the last one. Yeah. Yes. So yeah. Okay. Okay, Danushka, you can work on this. Who wants to share next?
I have a question. I have a question. Hello.
Yeah.
How do I?
By analyzing the data, what do you mean by that? Like,
What? How to stop?
what do you mean, like, by analyzing the data?
Analyze. What do you mean by analyzing the data? Okay.
Yeah.
For example, let's say
I had a
somebody picked
question. That's
Marvel
why.
movies. Somebody picked Marvel movies. Okay. And then you want to analyze in the sense, you have some questions about Marvel movies. What are the questions? How much budget was spent for each of the movies? Or you can say, what are the top 5 movies where rank the movies by top budget, top 5 budget, or some questions. So by looking at the data, you will get some questions. So in order to answer those questions, you will do the analysis. That is what I mean by analyze the data. Okay.
For me, it's saying like you have to for the global temperature in the hemisphere,
Yeah.
like the hemispheres. So like,
Yeah.
what do I do there?
So what is your can I look at your data?
Yeah, sure. One
Yeah.
sec. This.
Okay, you have okay. Can we look at the data? So go into table view.
Table view.
Global
Oh.
temperature, right? Yeah. Okay.
Table view. Yes. Where's table view?
If you go on the left side, the second button. You are in report view, right?
Yeah.
Second button.
Second. Oh, this one.
Left side. Yeah. I can't see your mouse though. See, there are 4 icons on the left, right? So the
Yeah.
second icon. The second
Yeah, I
icon.
clicked on it. Can you see it?
No.
What?
Yeah, now I can see. Yeah. Okay, so now, okay, here you have, okay, so you might have to transform your data. So you have what is the temperature for January? What is the temperature for February? Like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, okay, let's transform your data a bit. And what is this J2? After December, what is the data that you have?
I think it's January to December. I don't know.
Okay. Control F. Wait, hold
Not
on.
too sure.
I'm just looking at the data because sometimes when you have, what is your data set name? Hemisphere. Temperature something hemisphere, right?
When we're doing the analyzing, do we have to write, type in the facts down?
If you want, you can. Otherwise, what you can do is when you are presenting, you can talk about it.
Okay.
You can have notes and then you can talk about it. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just looking for your data set, Prithvi. Just give me 1 minute. Global. Global natural gas. Global. Temperature maybe. Search for temperature. No. Okay. What is your data set name, Prithvi? Prithvi, what is your data set name? Can't hear you. You have muted. You are muted.
Hello?
What is your data set name?
Yeah, it's global temperature anomalies.
Anomalies. I can't see it. In which year?
I think this is from. I think it's from 2020. I think.
2020. Okay. Okay. 2020. Okay. 20. Can't get it. 2020 you said, right? Okay, let me see. Yes. Just want to see what description they have given for the last 4 columns. Global temperature anomalies. From where did you take the data, Prithvi?
The Monday thing.
I think, okay.
Should I stop screen sharing?
No. I'm just trying to see what the data. July 23rd,
It's 2021.
2021. Okay. 2021. Sure. Global. Which week? Do you know? Which date?
One sec.
Can't
All I
see
know
it.
is it's in 2021.
2020. Yeah, I'm looking at 2021. What? Which date? Because I'm not able to find it here. Vaccine coverage. What schools create the most student loans? Yeah, I can't see the. If you can tell me which date, because I think it pays for you to model your data, and I want everyone to be part of that so that we can they can learn something.
Mm-hmm.
And did Nigam and Sachit join? Nigam and Sachit are here. Okay.
Yes.
So did you get your data sorted?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Nayanika and Venkat. Nayanika and Venkat. Prithvi, can you let me know the date so that I can show you what you need to do for transforming, and then everyone can learn?
Wait, do you want me to like search the date for now? Do you want me to like search for the date?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Meanwhile, Venkat, Hamsita, Monisha. Venkat, did you get the
Yeah, ma'am.
data into Power BI?
Yeah, ma'am. Everything's good. I just wanted to see if it's good enough because I don't think it is.
Right. Okay. Just give me a couple of minutes and then you can share. Monisha?
Okay.
Yeah.
Monisha, do you have a question?
Yeah. So for the summarizing thing,
Hmm.
it doesn't show the thing on my laptop.
Okay. Can you
So
share?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
for this one, I want to show like a specific year.
You want to show for a specific year. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, then what you do is remove the selection, click on the space, and then you add a slicer. Okay. Add a slicer and then add year to that. This looks good. So what you can do is, I'll show you something called dynamic title. So I'm just making notes as to what I need to teach you so that you can add it. So dynamic title, also maybe tool tips. That's what I plan to show you today. Okay, did you click on Slicer? Monisha? This data set looks good. Yeah. Click on Slicer. Slicer is there is a slicer from just beside table visual on the from the bottom third row. Matrix is there beside matrix table, beside table slicer. Yeah, that one. Yeah, now add year there.
Wait, how are we supposed to like get like you see like she's sharing like the year 6 million and the place. I forgot how to get that again.
I
Chris, how do you
think
get that?
records.
Sorry, what? Sorry. 6 million years? No, that should not be the. You can't summarize year, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
you are
don't know, but
summarizing year
it's
there. No,
it's
that's
some
wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. So remove year. You can't summarize year. Do you know why? And also place. Okay, when you are doing, when you are adding things into card visual,
yeah.
always make sure they are numeric. You can't add dimensions in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's why year is a dimension. Even though there is number, year is in number, you can't summarize year. So that's why year is called a dimension. So remove your place and year from the slide, and then add. You can add deaths, drought, and all those things. Okay.
It's already added. Also, someone keeps muting me.
Who is that? I don't think anyone has access to mute you. Okay, let me check.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So like you see the deaths caused by fog is 2000, right?
Mm.
So how do we get that? Because I forgot how do we like get
So
that feature?
okay, so if you go to new card visual, which is the second one in from right in the last row,
Yeah.
where there's 1, 2, 3, yeah, add that, and then click on the measure that you want to add. So you can either do deaths by fog or something like that. Then you will get it.
Okay.
I
Then see
found the
that's
date.
the sum. Got it?
I got the date.
Yeah. Not date, death.
Date. It's me.
No, you can't add date into card visual. Okay, it should be deaths. It should be some number, not dates, and also not years. Okay.
How do we like? I know you did like something in this area where it was like, do not summarize and stuff. How do
Yeah.
we
So
do?
if yours is not summarized, because if
Yeah.
you click on year, can you click on year on this under data tab? Under data, yeah. See, if you click on year, see there is don't summarize at the top.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
so
you.
that's why it won't summarize for you. So don't worry
Yep.
about that. Yeah.
Okay.
And remove that. You can remove that column, that card visual, and then you can add year. When you add year slicer, then it will give you what the deaths are by year when you choose each of the years. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So Monisha is done. Hamsita, do you have question?
Yeah. So how much data would you like us to have?
It's up to you. How much ever you can do. You should be able to be confident in presenting.
Okay.
And we will start practicing presenting from next week.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
I got the date. I got the date.
You got the date? What is the date?
It's 1 sec. Oh crap. It's 2018 2021.
18/1/2021. Okay, let
Yeah.
me check.
18th of January 2021.
Okay, so it's called What's Really Warming the World. Okay, let me check the data set. That's why my
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
So with our datas, right? Do we just present it? Do we have like the stuff we're presenting, or just show them like what we're presenting?
Not just show them, you have to be confident in what you can do. I'll send you some videos of previous presenters that I have, so you can look and see how they have presented. Okay. Okay. Okay, Nayanika, do you have any questions?
Can we just watch people in the competition?
Yeah. Everyone, you can watch.
Now should we transform the data?
Yes. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just help Prithvi. Okay, so 423 rows. Switch to column overview. Okay, switch to column overview. Okay, that's what we want. Hemisphere, year, Jan. Is MAM, what is DTF? J_D. Discussion. Winter, spring, autumn, summer. Yeah, people have asked, but people didn't respond here. When I look at the okay, I'm going to share my screen. No one is sharing, right? Okay, I'm going to share my screen and I'll let you know how to look at. So for example, see, I'm looking at Prithvi's, what do you call Prithvi's data set,
Ma'am?
where I
Ma'am,
went to
ma'am. Wait. Actually, I'm on my brother's account. That's why the name is Prithvi. My name is Prakrit.
Prakrit. Okay, yeah. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
sorry. Yeah, Prakrit's account, Prakrit's data set. So what it says is, it says what is warming the earth. So when you are presenting, you can say what is warming the earth, and then you can do a visualization where, see here, they have done a visualization for, see, over the years, they have done a visualization saying, see which one is, I can't read that, but which one is, which line is more. So this is more warming more, right? This, whatever is here. So you can project these ones, and also whatever data set that you are using, if you go into discussion, you will have a lot of other people who have done these visualizations. See this one, week 3 submission. See how they have done it. If you can try and do that kind of visualization also, it will be good. See here, this one, they have done something. They have used some other, what do you call, some other tool, but you can do the same in Power BI as well. Okay, so I clicked on some link. So they have done See, you can prepare something like this. This is by that hemisphere, right? Global, northern hemisphere, and southern hemisphere. Okay, they have just done that. Yeah, something like that. So you can get some ideas as to how to analyze, and then you can do your visualizations. Okay, got it?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Like for the visualization,
Mm.
I have a lot of number things, but I
Mm.
don't have like the things that are not numbers. Wait, can I share my screen and show it?
Yeah. See here, Prakrit. So here, year-wise temperature, and they have classified as autumn, spring, summer, and winter as well, and region-wise temperature. So you can have something like this, and then explain about it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Chrisos, do you want to share? And then after that, we'll continue with the class maybe for about half an hour. Yeah.
Okay.
Chrisos, do you? Yeah, just share. And
Sharing.
if the data is not suitable for good analysis, if you can consider changing your data set, or you can add some more data sets as well. Yeah.
Okay. So let's share.
Wait, excuse me.
Yeah, Zidan.
Actually, I'll go after him.
Okay. Okay.
Like
Yeah.
the-
Show me.
So
So you have countries there.
no,
Top
it's just
fif-
just one.
just this one, athlete name, off the field, on the field, rank, sport, and total earnings. Okay, you have dimensions, athlete name, and sport. Only
Yeah,
those, right?
I don't have lots of dimensions, so that's what I'm.
Yeah, that's okay. But if you have, like, for example, this is only top 50, right? So how
Yeah.
many rows do you have?
I only have 50.
Yeah, so try and
That's how
find, if you
much
want
that's how
good
much data.
analysis, you can try and find the fuller version of it. Look in the discussion activity, or activity, like how I showed you earlier. Otherwise, maybe try and consider, this is what football statistics, is it?
No, it's just like all sports because
Oh,
golf
all sports. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
like the highest paid athletes in the world. That's what it's about.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, what you can do is, Chrisos, because you are interested in sports and athletes, what you can do is you can just use this part for showing the top 50, but you can use another sports data set. Like, for example, you can get football data sets, or rugby data sets, or cricket data sets. You can add that and then show, build on your this
Is it
thing,
like
okay?
from this website?
Yeah, from that website.
Okay.
Okay, that will be a good idea. So that way, what you are doing is you are giving a top 50 sports idea, and then drilling down into a specific sport, like whatever you are interested, football or cricket, whatever data set that you get. Okay, that will be also a good one. Good
Okay, so I can
way to,
present this, but like for my other data sets, I can like research more. Is that
yes,
what you
research more, and then you can do that. Okay. Yeah. Venkat. Zidan, sorry. Yeah, Zidan.
When you're on your data, right?
Sorry?
And when you go on your data, right?
Mm.
And you go on your slicer, right?
Mm.
It doesn't show like a drop.
Drop down?
Yeah.
Okay, go to slicer settings in format.
Just give me a second.
Highlight your slicer, and then go to slicer settings in format. Do you know how to access format?
Wait, I'm just doing it.
Do you want to share your screen?
I can't.
Okay.
It's in a different laptop.
Yeah. That's okay. You try that. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Venkat. Venkat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Your hand is raised. Do you have any question? Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, I want to.
Yeah.
Just want to see. No, I don't think I have the option.
You don't have the option?
Probably, yeah. Let me check.
Did you see the highlight?
What is your question?
Huh?
What is your
No, I
question?
just need to, like, No, I'm just thinking like, should I add more stuff because I don't think it's good enough. That's why.
Right. Okay. Yeah, if you don't think that it is good enough, you try and find something else. And also first look at, before you download, first look at the discussion and the activity and see how you can analyze the data. And then you can, if you're happy with whatever others have done, then download it. Okay.
No, yeah, it's just that it's only like three like graphs. It's just card and two graphs. That's it. Is that too
Okay.
less?
Yeah.
Is that too
Otherwise,
less?
look at like, yeah. Otherwise, what you can do is you can look at analyzing similar kind of data sets. You can include two or three data sets more. Like how I suggested Chris Oath to do top 50 sports and then drill down into whatever sports data set that you can get. So you can pick something related if you can, and then do it. Otherwise, if you think that it is really small data set, you can change your data set. Okay.
Okay, I can do that. I can do that.
Yeah.
It's like 20 things. Okay, I can do that.
Yeah. Okay. Nayanika,
People keep removing me from the meeting.
removing you from the meeting?
Yeah.
I think I'll make all of you attendees. Looks like you can't. Okay. Let me check. Present. Yeah, I think I need to see. Okay, let me see. Let me see how I can solve your issue, Nanika, later on. Okay, Zidan.
Okay, what do you do after you go to slicer setting?
So try different options. There is a drop down. Okay, maybe I'll share my screen and then I'll show you.
Okay.
No, Power BI. I didn't even open Power BI. Okay, who was doing the fog data set? Movies, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm sharing my screen now.
I did the fog data set.
I see it.
See, did you see Power BI
I saw you.
desktop?
I just saw your data.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's not visible. Oh, now it's on. Now it's on.
Okay. Now, what we be doing now? We want to do the slicer settings, right? See, I have this title here, right? So I'm selecting this one and then going into my format, and then there is slicer settings, right?
Yeah. Well,
So here in the options, you can see a vertical list which will appear like this. And if I go tile, see it appears like this. And you can color them. Okay. You can use some color, or you can do a drop down where it shows the drop down and then you can pick and choose. And then you can say between. If you say between, it will come like this, like a line, and then you can choose your timelines like this. Okay.
We don't have that in my computer.
Who doesn't have it? Hold on, let me check.
It's only single select and select all. That's it.
No,
Option.
that is is
option is not there.
Roshni, is it latest version of Power BI desktop?
I'm not too sure. I just got it from the link what you shared.
When did you download?
Just a few weeks ago when you shared.
Not the previous version.
Okay, so in the slicer settings, you just have single select or select all.
No. See here, in the slicer settings, there is options.
No, that's not visible.
I
Neither
have
slicer
a
header.
feeling that you have the previous.
That means you have previous version.
No,
Okay,
not
all right.
her.
I'll try to
Maybe I
download a
feel
new
like she has
version.
the new version and you don't have the previous one. You have the previous version.
Yeah, I think you have the previous version, Roshni. Try and download the new one, and
All
then
right.
try and open the Power BI file
same
with the
file.
new one and see.
Yeah,
If you
sure.
still have issues, you let me know, and then we can have a look separately.
All
Okay.
good, all good. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. No worries. Okay. Now, let's try and so all of you pay attention. Divya. Divya, have you chosen a data set? Divya and Ayush. Lorraine. Haven't heard from you three. And Lakshit. Can you unmute and speak? Saket is okay. Sachit is okay. Srikar, yes, what's your question?
Can you show us how you can, how we can share in Power BI to you?
Share Power BI to share Power BI file?
Yeah.
Okay, file sharing is you might have to, maybe I can provide a place where you can upload, because otherwise we might have to pay for sharing. So what I'll do is I'll just create a place for you to upload, and then you can upload it there. Okay.
Okay, Auntie. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, that's good question though. I think that's what we will do, because on the day I am considering of booking Microsoft Office so that you can all come there and present. And there will be a couple of judges and they will judge your presentations, and then you will get some prizes. Okay. And then certificates. But for that, we should start practicing how to present. Okay. And I will share in the WhatsApp group a couple of videos where people have presented earlier online. Those days, because of COVID, kids have presented online. So you can have a look at that and you will get an idea. Okay, now for today's class, at least 15 minutes is there. I'm going to show you. Okay, I want to show you dynamic titles. So for example, if you have slicer here, I have two slicers. Okay. I'm just giving only the example. If you have questions, you can. This is not a slicer. I will have, let's say, country slicer. Okay, I'm adding a country slicer. Change it to country slicer. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, I'll take this out. Okay. Now here, listen carefully. What is dynamic slicer? For first of all, I'll say this is my movie data analysis. Okay, this is my title. Then I'm just increasing the size to, let's say, 20 bold. Okay. 20 bold, whatever. Okay. Now what I want to do is, I am selecting, let's say, I'm selecting year 1968. Okay. I'm seeing here, but here I don't know which year I'm selecting, right? And also if I say USA, I don't know. See, if I say USA, the selection of the year has gone down. So we can't see that unless we scroll, right? So what I want to do is I want to display what we have selected here. Okay, in the title, in my title. So for that, what we need to do is we need to create a measure. And for creating the measure, we need to use some formulas. And what is the language that we use for creating the measure? Anyone remembers?
Is it the one where it's like is it like budget? If you're doing budget total, was it like budget total equals to
Yeah. So see, here we have done the one measure which uses the sum function. Okay. Now the language that we use is called DAX. See here, there is DAX, right? DAX. Okay. Now let's create a measure in movie metadata if you have it open. Otherwise, just watch what I'm doing. Okay. So go to the table and then right click on new measure, or you can click on new measure here. So once I do the new measure, it comes with measure equals, right? What I will say is, I will say that this is my title measure. This is my title measure. And here, what we will do is, we will use a function called selected value. What selected value does this? So I start typing selected value and selected value. And then because our slicer is title year, right? So what I'll do is I will choose the title year and then close the bracket. Okay. But this will display, let's say, okay. What this will do is, I'll say title. And then if I display that, see, it is showing 1968 was the thing that I have selected. If you scroll down, 1968. Okay. But now what I want to do is, I want to combine, if there is no selection, see, it is blank, right? I want to correct that. What we will do is, for that, see, selected, if you go selected value, let's say, for example, I'm just removing this for now. It gives you, it should give an IntelliSense saying, okay, it's not giving. Okay. So if the title year is not selected, then what I want to show is, see, column name is what we have selected, and whatever is selected will display. And it says alternate result. Alternate result means if we did not select any year, then we want it to display as not blank but all years. Okay, agreed? Understood? If you have questions, I can explain again. So once I do that, see, it is displaying as all years. Okay. And for this, I don't want label because I don't want people to know. Okay. All years. And if I say 1968, it is dynamically, it is displaying. Okay. Okay. Now we have done the title part. But what about the other slicer that we have here? I have country, right? So what I'm doing is, I'm going to do the same thing for country. So I'm again going to go to that same measure called title, and then I'll say there is something called, we can add two values by using a sign called ampersand. Okay, I'm adding an ampersand, and I also want to have a space or something, maybe space or a pipe character. So what I'll do is I'll include that space and a pipe character and a space. Whatever character you want to include, you can use that. I want to include a pipe, pipe character. So I'm just doing that. And then I want to add that again as ampersand. And now what should what function should I use to display what the country that I have chosen? Anyone?
Is it selected value bracket movie
Yes.
metadata?
Yes,
is like
that's yes. Yeah, so again, you need to use selected value and then country and comma. If we did not select any country, then what we need to display is we want to display all countries, right? And then close it and then enter. See, now it's displaying all years and all countries because I haven't selected anything. If I select 1968 and USA, then it will display USA in 1960. What if you want to display even movie data analysis? How will we modify this? Because this is another, see, if you see, this is another text, right? Another text box, and this is a card visual, right? So now my question to you is, how do we add for this one? How do we add movie data analysis? Just that text. Anyone?
Do we put like another ampersand?
Yes, yes. So what we'll do is we have to put another ampersand, but because I want to add that in front. So what I'll do is I'll start with quotation marks because there is no need for using any function. We just want this text there. So we will include the text within quotation marks as movie data analysis space, because we want a space after 1968. So I'll just add that and then include the ampersand. If you don't include the ampersand, it is going to show syntax error. So I just did that, and then I think it's not showing any errors, and just calculate that and then see. Now if I can remove this one because I have included that. So what I'll do is I'll just delete that and then do this as the title. Analysis spelling is wrong. So I'll just go again. Did everyone get that? Yes? Question. Srikar Hamsita. Question? Do you have any questions?
I know.
How did you make the title one again? Sorry.
You have to click on the table and
Okay.
then click on new measure.
Oh, okay.
It's a measure, okay? Okay. Now let's, if I just remove this.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
How did you do the total budget, sum of gross and sum of, and the purple, blue, and pink one? How did you do that?
Were you not in the last class?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'll send you the link. But basically what I have used is, there is something called card new visual. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you can add your measures there. And then you have to choose format and then do the necessary changes. So you can have background, you can have visual border. And then also there are cards here where you can you can do the see the shape, snipped tab, both top. So you can do that. And also you can add reference labels if you want. And also you can add, you can modify callout labels where each series you can customize it. That's what I've done here. Each series, total budget, sum of gross, and sum of whatever. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And if you have questions, you can go and look at the video. Okay.
Yeah.
Last week's video.
Yoza. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions, Hamsita? Okay. I think next week we will start off with the class. I think this week we were just concentrating on who has got the data and who has not. Next week, what I'll do is I'll teach you tool tips. And who was the one who Prithvi, right? Prithvi? Prakrit. You, I think I'll go through the transformation with you.
Okay, sure.
Maybe sometime later. Maybe
Sure.
either tomorrow or day after. I'll go through. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yep.
Who else have questions? Lakshit, Ayush, Lorraine. I haven't heard from you. Ananya. Yeah, I haven't heard from you all. Karthik, are you okay? Have you downloaded the data set?
Yeah, I downloaded it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you are all good?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, any other questions from anyone? Nigam.
That was by accident. I'm sorry.
Okay. Ananya, yeah.
Um,
Have you downloaded?
So I've downloaded a data set, but when I want to put it in, it doesn't show the option.
Do you want to share the screen?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll stop sharing. Okay, I think if you want to, if you all want to leave, you can leave. We will do the next session. Yeah, in the next session, I'll start with some teaching, and then we will start practicing. So please try and practice your Power BI, your presentations.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let's go.
Ananya, you can share.
I'm not sure how to share. I'm kind of new to Teams.
Okay. Can you see mute and unmute button?
Yeah.
And beside that, there is share.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on that and then go to screen. And then click on where it says screen.
Okay.
And then it should share. Yeah, we can see that now. It's coming, I think. Yeah, I can see your Power BI. Yeah.
Okay, so I've downloaded the data set.
Can you show me your data set where it is downloaded?
I've downloaded it here already.
Human versus that one.
Yeah.
Do you have enough data? See, you have animal total, male, female. What animal could you beat in a fight? Oh my God. Okay, human versus. Okay, interesting. Okay, now, okay, you have that. So go to what is the data set? Is it CSV or Excel? It looks like Excel. So go to Power BI and then click on Excel workbook or import data from Excel. Either will be good. Yeah. And then choose that. Yeah. And then open. Yeah. Look at sheet 1. Okay, so click on the checkbox beside sheet 1 and also look at sheet 2. No, don't untick the sheet 2. We don't need that. Yeah, just load. Yeah, it is loading. And then now you can start working on it. But before you do anything, save it so that it saves after loading the model.
Yeah.
You can't save now, but yeah. And then you can start doing some visualizations, and then we can look at those visualizations in the next class. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Okay. Who else? Kumuda. Yes.
Yeah,
Ayush,
so
you're
I'm
in. Yeah.
so I made a line graph and I don't want it to interact with the other things. So how do I do that?
Okay. Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Okay. So your okay, you have done a line graph. Can you select the line graph? Okay, you have count of vitamins, sum of grains, calories per serving. So calories per serving.
I just don't
count-
want it to like interact when I like select this, because when I select it, there's like a
Can you select
dot
100% gram?
only.
Okay. So what you do is, yeah, click on the slicer, and then go to format at the top. At the top there is format, data drill and format, right? Go into format. Just beside help. Top menu. No, not this side, not this side. Top menu. Where you see,
Oh,
yeah,
this
that
one.
one. Yeah, format. And then go click on edit interactions.
Okay.
Yeah, now click on the circle with the cross on only the line graph. Yeah. Yeah, click on that. And now try and interact with the, yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on.
See?
Oh yeah, now it's
Okay.
working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now you get the idea, right? So whatever you are doing, just remember to see others' visualizations and try and see what they are trying to do, and then try and replicate that in your analysis. Okay. Okay. Now Ayush.
Okay.
Ayush, Lauren, I'm not getting response from you. Any other questions? Nainika, do you have question?
No, I just wanted to talk to you about my data set.
Sorry, what was that?
I just wanted to show you my data set.
Okay, yeah, share your listing. Yeah, I can see your screen. I can see your team screen. Yeah.
This.
Okay, you also have the sports one,
This
right? Top
my-
50. Yeah, okay. Top 50 basketball. Okay. Okay, yeah. Sum of total earnings by sport, yeah. And then page 2.
didn't think this would be enough for the competition.
Yeah, like how Chrisot said. So what you can do is you can see the top earnings by sport is first is it is showing basketball, right? See whether you can find some data sets that is related to basketball or golf or something from the Makeover Monday or some other websites. So if you search in Google, you can say you can say basketball data sets. You can sometimes find some data sets that you can download, and then you can analyze that. Okay.
Okay.
Or goal for whatever sport that you are showing there. Okay. Try doing that. And then you can show this one as well as the other data sets. Okay. This is too small. And yeah, you are just using total earnings, right? You can also show off the field and on the field. Yeah. So if you go page 2, I'll just see what is. Yeah. What you can do is you can include these 3 in just one page as well, and then add a slicer for what is in the name field. I don't think you can even add a slicer. What is in the name field? Can we see if you go into table view? Oh, this is name. What is that? Sportsperson, right? Yeah, it is sportsperson. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, you don't have much dimensions there. So yeah, you can add other data from other sports. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can choose something else as well. Not a problem. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay, Lauren, you can go, Nayanika, and Ananya, you also can leave if you don't have any questions. Lorraine.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Have a good night.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, Lorraine, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Lorraine, did you download the data set?
Which data set?
Any data set that you want. This is the
Oh,
first time
yeah.
I'm seeing you in the class. Have you joined earlier?
Huh?
Have you joined other classes, the previous classes?
I skipped one class.
Okay. What's your name?
Lorraine.
Lorraine itself. Okay, yeah, because I don't remember seeing you, but that's okay. So, you did not attend last class, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you know what to do?
No.
Are you okay? Are you going? Do you want to participate in the Power BI competition?
I haven't had a thought about that.
You haven't had a thought about it. Do you want to give it a try? Do you want to just try and see whether you can do some visualizations in Power BI?
Yeah, I'll see. I'll try.
Yeah, okay. You try. Do you have the link to the